I am James with Noco Carpet Cleaning. It's been now 7 months that I've been working with Tipping Point. I enjoy the fact that we have a monthly meeting. I know what is happening, what's changed. I know where my website is trending. I know where my Google reviews are trending. Where before I hired Tipping Point, it was all guess. I had no idea what was going on in the background. I felt like I was just giving money to somebody with no results. Rena specifically is exciting. I can tell that she is interested in where my business is going and succeeding. It's not just a monetary value for her, she's engaged in my business, because if I succeed, she succeeds, and I love that. If I were to cut anything out of my business, marketing or digital marketing would be the last thing to go. And Tipping Point is probably the biggest value I have right now, because it is what is growing in my business, and it's making my business be seen all across the internet. I am a carpet cleaner by trade, and I work hard, and I need somebody working hard for me to be seen. I've now become a namesake in several households, and I think that's a big part of it. I've got several customers that are using a scheduler right off my website. I'm getting more form fill-ins. I used to get maybe 1 or 2 a month, and that was just a lucky guess or a lucky thing that would happen, but now I'm up to about 10, 15. So I think that we are winning in all fronts. You're crazy if you're not using your powers of SEO, and Tipping Point is probably one of the best out there in the background, because they're going to tell you what they're doing, why they're doing it, and they're just going to excel. Tipping Point is helping me do all of those things.